More than 20 people want to go to Simon's party. Work out the cost for each extra person. So for each extra person now. So if we look at our graph, we've got 20 people. So there's many ways to do this. I can look at the increase by one person and see how much the graph goes up by. Now the thing here is, going up by one person and reading one person is going to be very tricky on here, potentially. So I'll try and draw it. I'll draw it somewhere here on the graph, on the left hand side, so it's quite clear. So let's say I'm on 10. I go from 10 to 11. Can you see that's really hard to read? It's really hard. So rather than doing a small space, I'm going to do it big. Okay? Does that make sense? I'm going to make it really big. So I'm going to exaggerate it just to make it easier for me. So I'm going to go from 20 all the way to 50, let's say. So look at what I do. I'm going to go from 20 to 50. So here's my triangle. Okay, so I've gone from 20 to 50. So my 20 to 50 is a difference of 30. That's 30 people. Does that make sense? Happy with that? And I'm going here from 450, if I read off that answer, is 980. Is it 980 or is it 1000? Okay, I'm going to call it, yeah. Okay, so that looks like 900. It's not 980. One box down is 980. Another box down is 960. So it's in between them. So it's 970. So I'm going from 450 to 970. So what's the difference between them? 970 take away 450 gives me 520. So my y distance is 520. Okay? Is that clear so far? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide these. So I'm going to do 520 pounds divided by 30 people. That gives me the cost of one person. So 520 divided by 30 gives me 17.3 recurring. So the cost of one person is £17.33. Oops, the cost of one person is £17.33. So let me go back to my paper. So I've done lots of working out here. I can copy that here just to make it clear for the examiner. Draw my triangle, 30 people, 520. 520 divided by 30 equals 17.3 recurring, which is £17.33. Now you can see, because of the triangle, there is going to be a margin of error. So if I get the mark scheme out, this is question 13. Question 13C, 17.5. So I'm actually below that. But let's look at the guidance. 1 mark for method to find the cost for one guest. So they've used the other numbers. or for an answer in the range 17 to 18 except 17.5. So you can have any answer between that. That is correct. Is that clear? And you can see they've used these numbers. They've used exact numbers here. They've taken 1000 and then 100. So maybe that would have been better to do rather than that. So sometimes in an exam, it's the way your brain is working. So whatever you're thinking, go with that.